solutions to life.
Hey, welcome to our channel. If you're just tuning in for the first time, you're welcome. Okay, and for those who have been with us all this while, thank you for staying with me. God bless you. Yes, I really appreciate you guys. I am where I am now because of you. Yes, even this number we're having right now is because of you. Thank you. I really appreciate you. Thank you. Guys, today I want to talk about alligator pepper. Yes, I think I'm supposed to even snap with this. Alligator pepper. Yes, we're talking about no wasting of time today. Yes, because I have 3 things that we are going to discuss on how to use this alligator pepper. Okay, so if you don't know what alligator pepper is, alligator pepper, you know, it is a spice. It is an African spice, and it is planted in the West African region of Africa. It's mostly found in West Africa. So all the West African countries, you can easily get alligator pepper, and you can get alligator pepper. Have 3 types. They have the original one, that is the spiritual alligator pepper. There is a normal alligator pepper, and there is fake alligator pepper. Yes, and if you want to use alligator pepper for spirituality, anything spiritual, you will not buy the one that has already been opened and poured in a container. That one, you use it as a spice. Okay, because we know alligator pepper is a spice. In the absence of pepper, you can even use alligator pepper. Yes, you know, you can use it to put in your meals. But if you want to use alligator pepper for anything that has to do with spirituality, you have to get it in its shell like this. Okay, so now you can use this alligator pepper. Number 1, you can use this alligator pepper to cleanse yourself. For cleansing, you know, I have the one that I've already opened here. When you open alligator pepper, you see something like this. Okay, you know, each bunch like this comes in 3 rolls, you know, like this, you know. Then I think do I have the 3rd one here? I think I've been using that. Yes, so you have them like this. This one is untouched. I've not opened, I've not removed any seed from this one, but you can see this one, I've started using this one also from here. So the alligator pepper has seeds, you know. The seed is very tiny seed. So any alligator pepper they show you and the seed is looking fat and attractive, fat, that is not alligator pepper, that is fake. Okay, but we actually have alligator pepper that is tiny like this, and it is very pepperish, it's spicy in the mouth. That is alligator pepper. Okay, but when you want to use this for cleansing, that is number 1 thing that I want us to discuss now. You want to use this alligator pepper for cleansing, you just get 1 seed like this. Get a seed like now. See, number 1, if you want to use alligator pepper for anything spiritual, let's say for cleansing or to do some other things, you have to open it from the back. Okay, I've said that severally in my videos. Yes, you open it from the back, then you bring your hand to the front. Like this one now is already opened. This was opened from the back. Yes, so you open it from the back like this. Then you bring it forward, and then you begin to open it more and more, and then you bring out the seed. And when you are using alligator pepper and any seed of it falls to the ground, don't pick it. You can't use it again. That one you can only sweep it away. Okay? All right. Now you have this alligator seed in your hand. So for cleansing, let's say you slept with somebody who has a lot of bad luck. Bad luck, curses, generational curse, self-curse. You know, there are some curses that we put on ourselves, and there are some curses that are generational curse. Okay? So when you are suffering from generational curse, that one is something that happens to everybody in your family. When you look at yourself, if you like, go and stay in America, go and stay in Australia. If you like, stay in Nigeria, stay in Ghana. It is what is happening to your uncle, your auntie, your brothers, your seniors, and your younger ones. It's the same thing in another fashion that will be happening to you in US where you are staying. Okay? That is what they call generational curse. Okay. At times, some is self-curse, because you go into business and you dupe the person, or you incur curses. Yes, you are a man, you know in your mind you don't want to marry this lady. You know you are not going to marry her, but because you want to jog in her valley, you will be promising her marriage, heaven and earth. I want to marry you, you know, I'm for real, I am serious, I want to marry you, this, that. Then you begin to pound her. By the time you've gotten what you want from her, then you drop her from cloud 9. You dump her. And in that state of mind, as a woman, she curses you, it will follow you. And you as a woman is the same thing. If you're a woman, you're watching this video now, it's the same thing. If you know you're not going to marry a guy, tell him from the beginning, guy, I don't want to marry you. I can date you. Yes. There's nothing wrong in you dating somebody. You must you promise him marriage or promise her marriage when you know deep down in your heart, this guy has temper. This guy is a volcano. This guy can beat you. This and that, but you just manage him because you are dating. You know you cannot survive under the same roof with him as a husband. But you still be promising him marriage, you be collecting his money, you be giving. You know when a man wants to marry you, he spend more money on you. Yes. So by the time you drop him from cloud 9, if he plays curse on you, it will follow you. They don't need to consult witches and wizards on your case. You understand? So now you want to do self-cleansing from that kind of problem. You just carry one alligator pepper, you do like this, you know. Then you throw, if you like, keep them in one place first. 3 times you do it, and then you go and throw it where a woman will not cross, especially a woman that is in her period. It's because it will break it will neutralize, it will render it impotent. Okay, so now that one is done. Then to neutralize what has been done against you, you can also use alligator pepper. That one, you this whole bunch like this, you pray over it, mention what you want, say what you want, mention everything that they have done against you that is working against you. Alligator pepper is a spirit. I've said that before several, right from last year. I've been saying it. Alligator pepper that you're seeing is a spirit. Okay? And that is why people who put alligator pepper in their mouth, who chew alligator pepper, when they say something against somebody, it will happen to that person. Why? Because the spirit in their mouth is going to act that thing. So now, say what you want, dig the ground, bury it. Once you bury it, it will go on mission. Yes, to break every power, to break everything that they have done against you. It will go to break it. Except that thing is not on earth here. Okay, now another one is that you can also count 14 pieces or 7 pieces or 9 pieces. That is seeds, sorry, seeds, you know, like now this is the seed, the alligator seed. You remove the seed like this, you know, count it, 14 of it, you put it under your pillow. 14, you put it under your pillow, sleep for 3 days. You put it today, when you wake up in the morning, you remove that one, go and throw it away. The following day again, carry another 14 pieces, put it under your pillow, sleep, and you will see wonders. In fact, your dream life will change. If you are dreaming and people are coming to collect something from you, people are coming to beat you in your dream, people are coming to press you down, people are coming to attack you, you will see that you begin to win, you begin to defeat them, you begin to retrieve even what they have taken from you. Okay? Alright, so guys, I don't want this video to be more than 10 minutes today. Yes, so I will live and show you. I have complete set of kaya mata. So if you want to buy kaya mata, just, I will not even be mentioning them here. If you need kaya mata, you know what it is, to get the attention of your husband, your man, you know, and then to be in good relationship, to attract favor from people, not just your husband alone. Let me know, then I'll give you the ranges of what I have, and then you can select the one you can afford. Okay, but they are all very, very affordable, and they can go to anywhere. In fact, this liquid one, a lady placed order, and I closed my eyes like this. I sent it to DHL, and they shipped it to US. I was surprised. I was surprised. DHL accepted it, and they shipped it abroad. It didn't come back. Yeah, I sent it. It didn't come back. It has gone. So I'm happy. At least that one can go. That is kaya mata. This one is liquid. Yes, guys, I also have another thing for men. Yes. Oh, time has gone. Maybe I'll mention it in another video. Yes. Oh, bonge. Yes, for men alone. Oh. So contact me if your workstation is not saluting you the way you want, and it's not jogging in the valley the way you want, just let me know. Okay, and then this one, no breaking. Yes. All right, now, thank you. I upload video on daily basis. Tomorrow I will come your way again. Yes, and you will see made the lock in another way. I know it's not everyone that will see this particular part of this video, so let me just wink my eye for you, because I know a lot of people will not see it again. Yes, thank you. God bless. Bye.